You know what, maybe it needs oxygen. You think it's gonna go?
Dan's gonna go now.
Dude, if there's a car coming down here, we're fucked now. Listen. Think the car's gonna come back in? Dude.
It's just gonna make a mess.
You think it's gonna blow?
Once the can, yeah, the can will blow up.
Soon? I'm a little fucking scared now. We're gonna have to bury that money for it, you know.
Fucking smoke coming out.
If I fucking seen or heard a car come, I'm running to that fucking thing and I'm pushing it in the snow. Or I'm going right in the back of you guys.
I wouldn't go too fucking close to
Don't
that.
go anywhere near it until that can goes off.
You should have brought a gun then. Shoot it out.
That's when you put one of those little propane tanks in.
You guys are fucking with the fucking smoke.
Fuck, that stinks.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. It's so far out here, it doesn't matter.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. That's a can bending, eh?
I think so. That's the can getting big.
I'm hiding behind Brad.
Now we can go put it out.